Good day, Ma'am and Sir. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Catherine Solveta Cabardo, 43 years old, from Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I am married and blessed with one child, and I am a college graduate with a degree in business administration. I am disciplined, hardworking, and trustworthy person with a solid experience in cleaning, elderly care, and child care. I take my responsibilities seriously and always ensure that my work is done properly and meets my employer expectations. I have 3 years of work experience in the Philippines. I work as a cleaner where I maintain cleanliness, organize the house, and ensure proper sanitation. I pay strong attention to detail and can work efficiently even without supervision. I also work as an elderly caregiver for a 97-year-old patient with Alzheimer's disease. I assisted her with bathing, dressing, feeding, mobility, and followed medication schedule carefully. This experience strengthened my patience, compassion, and sense of responsibility. In addition, I work as a nanny for two young children, aged 2 and 7 years old. I manage their daily routine, including bathing, feeding, diaper changing, preparing meals, and helping them with schoolwork. I always ensure their safety and guided them with a good behavior. Mom and sir, I may be first timer working abroad, but I'm very committed, willing to learn, and able to follow instruction carefully. I respect different culture and household rules, and I can work independently while managing my time well. You can trust me to be honest, loyal, and dedicated. I am ready for a long term commitment and will serve your family with genuine care and professionalism. Thank you very much, Mom and Sir. God bless.